Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Have your 12-digit Aadhaar or 28-digit EID and a working phone. Open the Aadhaar app or the UIDAI website. Once open, choose Check Aadhaar Update or Check Update Status. Enter your Aadhaar or EID and the security CAPTCHA, then tap Submit. You do this to fetch the latest request list associated with your identity. Make sure to use the same method you used for update submission, so the system matches records correctly. Once you submit, the app or portal displays matching requests. Tap the specific record to view details. You'll see the update type, name, address, biometric, along with request date and current status codes like under process or rejected. Read any remarks shown. They explain verification hurdles. If you used an enrollment center, compare the EID on your receipt with the displayed EID so you confirm you're viewing the right request. And note the expected processing window mentioned alongside. When the status says accepted, you can download the updated e-Aadhaar immediately or wait for the mailed copy. Make sure to authenticate the PDF with your PIN. If it's rejected, read the rejection reason and gather corrected documents to resubmit. This is why you track the EID. If nothing updates or you see errors, contact UIDAI helpline or return to the enrollment center with your EID and documents. This direct follow-up resolves mismatches faster and prevents duplicate submissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.